right, guys, let's get right on into this DIY. In this part, I'm going to show you all the supplies that I'm going to be using really quickly. Most of the items did come from Dollar Tree, the main parts, okay? This is a Mackenzie Childs inspired DIY for an upcoming tablescape hosted by the Glam Squad. The first piece is just a glass saucer from Dollar Tree. The glass bowl from Dollar Tree. This is an upcycled candle votive that I keep around. Once the candles are burned out, I always keep the glass bottoms because there's something I can always use them for. This is just a glass cylinder vase from Dollar General that was actually on clearance for $2.25. Okay. This is the lid from a candle. I'm going to have to get the adhesive off with some Goo Gone. A candle that is extinguished already. And this is going to actually be the lid. Fits perfectly, actually, to this piece. Okay. This is a drawer pulled that I've had for many years. I've used them on different projects. And it's going to be placed on top of this one here in the end, okay? And just to show you, the glass bottom is going to be attached to this. So in the end, this is just to give you an idea of where I'm going with it, okay? And for this one, this is going to be attached to this, like this, okay? Candle holder, riser. It can be used for many purposes once the project is complete, okay? I have two markers here, Craft Smart and the Deco Color Premium Pen. This one is in black. Sorry, guys. This one is in black. And if you don't have a black painter's pen, you can usually use just a fat tip Sharpie. This is my gold leafing. I'm going to go around the edges of all these pieces. The black one is for this, actually. If I decide to use these napkins to do a simple Mod Podge deco on parts of it, because it's not really super black. So if I do use them, I'm going to go over the areas with the black painters just to give it some depth and make it darker. This is also another piece of swatch I'm going to use. The paints I'm going to use is the white apple barrel, another black apple barrel, all of these are actually apple barrel from Walmart. This is the marsh green. This is the Admiral blue. This is the purple violet indoor outdoor high gloss, also apple barrel. And the colors are just accents that I may or may not use. And depending on how much I want to glam it up, these are just scrap pieces of different glam wraps that may or may not make it on there. And I also have the stickers, the jewel stickers from Dollar Tree. And this is in a pretty blue, cobalt blue. See if it'll pick it up. Okay. These are all my supplies. And of course, we're going to possibly use the Mod Podge. But as I said, some of this I may change as I go along, depending on how the project is turning out. So, if you want to see how all of this turned out, please keep on watching till the end. And I want to thank you guys for watching. I want to thank you guys for subscribing to my channel, old, new, and those that are yet to come. If you haven't made up your mind yet, hopefully this will be the project that helps you decide to hit that subscribe button. Please like, comment, share, and once again, subscribe. I really would appreciate it. Thank you so much. Stay blessed, stay woke, And let's get into this DIY. Okay, you guys, I'm going to take you right over here. The bowls and the plate are painted. This one is painted and is drying. I'm going to bring you over here. I've already started on the first one. Okay, with the checker, putting in the green accents. And this is the base for that one. We're making progress. Alrighty, be right back. Okay, you guys. Now I'm just gonna put the gold trim on the plate around here. Okay, we're at this phase now. Okay, guys. I decided to just go in and do the gold trim around the white checks only. I don't know why it's not picking it up. But I'm going to go ahead and finish the rest off camera, and I'll be right back to show you. And now we'll begin with the blue and white checkered pattern, Mackenzie Childs inspired piece. And lastly, we're going to finish up with this piece. Although I didn't show you the process, everything that I've shown you up until this point was pretty much the same. You tape it off into your checkered pattern, but this one is not quite all exactly Mackenzie Childs checkered. I decided to do it just a little different. However, I still like the way it came out. Now here I'm just applying glitter to the lid of this piece. I had a dickens of a time trying to remove the adhesive that was on here, so I flipped it and used it to my advantage and decided to use the glitter here at the top. The glitter that I'm using is a brand from Dollar Tree. It's just the fine gold glitter here. That's the brand. And once this is set and dried, I'll simply add that little drawer pull back there to the top as a lid topper, which will make it easy to pull it off, you know, open and close the drawer. And that's the end of this project, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and I look forward to your comments about which piece that you actually like down in the comments. Let's chit chat about these DIYs. I'd love to hear your opinions about what you've seen today. Thank you for watching, and have a blessed day.